Today we are going to introduce the Nilight 2 PC's 3-inch 42W LED cube lights with wiring harness kit, 2 leads. Let's take a look together now. Open the box, you can see a warranty card. You can contact us to inquire about product issues through the contact information on the warranty card. Include 2 pieces 3-inch LED cube lights with black aluminum housing and 14 PC's 3W quality LED chips. 12-foot wiring harness, 5-pin on-off rocker switch with SPST design. Three extra blade fuses for option. Contains durable adjustable mounting brackets and accessories for quick installation. "5 minutes quick installation." Simply fix the black bracket to the light with the screws on both sides and then tighten it in the installation position with bolts and nuts. The dazzling lights easily light up the dark night, bring you wider and farther view area.